Assalamualaikum once again and good morning nursery class. So your teacher Faiza has opened your SST book. Kindly open your page number 1 to 12. Today is the turn of the page number 1 to 12. Kindly open nursery class. So first of all, as you know that we write date on the top of the page nursery. What is day today? Today date is 2, or you can say 2nd. New month is started, mashallah nursery class. Very good. And this is number 4. And you know what is the name of the month, nursery class? It's May. What is the... Sorry, April. What happened with the teacher, nursery class? What is the name of the month? April. What is the name of the month, nursery class? April. March is just ended and April is started. And write down here class work. Okay, nursery class? Very good. And nursery class, you know that Ramazan is coming. We will discuss about Ramazan. Okay, nursery class? And we also try to plan how we spend our Ramazan. Okay, nursery class? Inshallah, we will do lots of prayers, nursery, and lots of Allah name. Okay, nursery class? And we also try to do good deeds. And last thing, nursery class, which I have to ask you, that you have pick up your package from the school, nursery class. It has your worksheet that we just started from Monday. Okay, so you should have your worksheet before Monday. You have to pick that pack before Monday. Okay, you can pick it up from today and Saturday also. Okay, nursery class. So let's come to the work, nursery class. Let's see what is our topic today. Is learning and playing. Okay, is learning and playing. Nursery class, today we will learn about time. Okay, nursery class, in the whole day, two types of times come. One is night and one is day. First discuss about night. When the night comes, we cannot see anything. If we come out and look at the sky, we only see two things. One is the moon, can you see? And the second is the stars. Okay, otherwise all the things will be in the black shade. We cannot see the color of our trees, grass, and anything like this. Okay, we need to have torch or mobile light or any sort of a light or bulb in our home to see in the night time. Nursery class, this is two brother and sister. Okay, for her name is Ishal and he is Abdullah. Okay, nursery class, they are looking out at the stars and the moon, nursery class. And you know, we should sleep early at the night time, nursery class, so we can attend our online classes in the morning. Okay, nursery class. So it's not a good habit to wake up at the night time. Okay, at late night, nursery class, or use mobile or watch TV. Okay, you have to go to the bed early. So I have told you in my last online class in our SST lecture, what is this? Curtains. What is this? Curtains. And from where they are watching the star and the moon? Yes, this is the window. They are watching star and window from, sorry, they are watching moon and star from the window. And they are sitting on a sofa. So what is this time? This is night time. What is this time? This is night time. We see star and moon at night time. Okay, nursery class, do tell me that what we see at the night time. We see star and moon at night time. Okay, nursery class, let's come to the daytime. Oh my God, lot of sunlight is here, nursery class, and I think we can see everything. Sunlight is the blessing of Allah, nursery class. So let's see what they are showing us, that what we can see at the night time. We can see grass, we can see mud, we can see green trees. Oh my God, we can see sky, we can see clouds. Oh my God, We can see kite. Put the finger, nursery class. We can see kite. We can see birds. Oh my god. And an aeroplane. We can see an aeroplane at the daytime, nursery class. Okay, nursery class. Again, we can see the aeroplane in the daytime. Okay. Oh my god, you know that what is this? Yes, this is hot air balloon. We can see hot air balloon in the daytime, nursery class. So what you can say, nursery class? We can see grass, trees, birds, kite, aeroplane, sky, clouds, and balloons in the daytime. Oh my god. Love it, nursery. So, nursery class, now they are asking the question, what can you see at night? And second question is, what can you see in the daytime? I'm not going to give the answer of this question because for these questions we are going to do an activity today. Okay, nursery class, so be ready for the today activity, nursery. Let's come to the next page, nursery class, which is page number 1313. What is the page number, nursery class? The page number is 1313. And what is the name of the lesson? At school. Wow, I love school, nursery class. When I was child, I love at that time also school. My kids love school. Okay, nursery class. So this is our school gate. Oh my god. This is the playground. Behind the gate is a big playground. Oh my god. And this is a school building. Beautiful school building, nursery class. Oh my god. And remember who is this? Yes, this is the guard. How many guard our school has, nursery class? 2. Remember, nursery class, we have 2 guards in our school. They have only one school. And let's see what is the name of the school. It's ABC school. Have you heard about this type of school name, nursery? I didn't. So let's write our school name. What is the name of our school, nursery class? Lahore. 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 Reliance. Reliance. Lahore Reliance School. So, nursery class, now tell me that what is the name of your school? G. Lahore Reliance School. What is the name of your school? Lahore Reliance School. And what is the name of your class, nursery? Yes, it is nursery. What is the class name? What is your class name? Nursery. Now, nursery class, let's discuss about that the things we do in our school. So look at the first picture and put the finger, nursery class. These are desks and these are the students. What they are doing, nursery class? Are they talking? Are they listening? No. Yes, they are writing. Nursery class, are they writing? Yes. So, nursery class, put a tick on that. Okay, nursery? Very good. So, nursery class, look at the next picture. What are they doing? Are they reading? No. Are they studying? No. Are they fighting, nursery class? Yes. Are they fighting? Yes. So let's see what they are saying. Oh my god, they are saying shouting. No. They are not doing shouting. They are doing fighting, which is a very bad thing. Both are bad thing. Shouting plus fighting, both are very bad. So nursery class, are they shouting? No. So we give him a cross over here. Okay, nursery? Now move to the next picture. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite picture. This is the school playground, nursery. And what they are doing, oh my god, beautiful flower, tree, and lots of kids are playing over here. Let's see, they are playing with a football, nursery class, and they are playing with the flowers. So all of them, what are the all of them doing, nursery class? Yes, they are playing. I think it's their playtime, nursery. What are they doing? They are playing. So we will tick that box, nursery. Okay. Now let's see in the next picture. Oh my god. Very bad, nursery class. Yes, nursery class. What they are doing in the next picture? Oh my god. Again, another bad habit. Snatching. The boys are snatching a kite, nursery class. Don't snatch ever. Okay, nursery class? Snatching is one of the bad habits that teacher dislike the most. Okay, nursery class? So are they fighting? No. They are snatching. What they are doing? They are snatching. But they said they are fighting. No. They are not fighting. We will give them a cross. So see, look at again in the picture. They are writing. They are fighting. They are playing. And they are snatching. Very good, nursery class. So, nursery class, come to the activity work. Okay, come. So, nursery class, today teacher has cut the things. Okay, so I think these for cutting make our video too long. Okay, nursery class, I think you can cut. I told you how to cut the things, nursery class. I take one white computer sheet, one black computer sheet, and one blue computer sheet. Okay, nursery class, I take blue computer sheet for the daytime and I take black computer sheet for the night time. Okay, nursery class. So nursery class, what we have to do, we have to make thing that we can see in the daytime, and then we will make the thing that we can see at the night time. So nursery class, first of all, we will focus on our daytime. I have cut the sheet in this size. Okay, nursery class, it's your choice the way that you want to deal with the daytime. I have cut the daytime sheet in this size. Okay, nursery class, and I will put the glue backside of the sheet and then I will paste over here. Wait, nursery. Okay, nursery class, put the glue at the back side, nursery class. Can you see that I am fixing? Okay, and then come to me. So nursery class, I have pasted the blue sheet on this page. You can see it's get fixed. So the last thing which I am going to do, I take a green paper. I use the crab sheet that I used last time on the SST book. That's why I save this and I'm reusing it. Okay, you can take anything of the green color for making the grass, nursery class. Oops. Now nursery class, I will put the grass over here. Oops, what's happening, nursery class? Okay, nursery class. Again, I will put the glue on the back side of the green grass, and then I will fix over here. Okay, I will fix and then come to you. Okay, nursery class, I have put the green grass over here. Now the next thing which I am going to put is tree. Okay, nursery class, near the grass I will put the tree. Okay, nursery class, I will also put the glue at the back side of the tree and then come to you. You can see you have to cut the tree like this. Okay, the trunk of the tree like this. Okay, nursery class, let me fix and then come to you. See, nursery class, I have fixed the trunk on the blue page. Now I have cut the tree body like this. Okay, nursery class, then I will put over here. Okay, my nursery, here. Okay, let me fix and then come to you. You have to cut this like oval shape from the upper side and then W shape from the down side. Okay, nursery class. Okay, like this. Let me fix and then come to you. Okay, now my tree is looking very beautiful, nursery class. You can see. Okay, nursery. Then what is the next step, nursery class? I decided to make rocks. Okay, nursery class, it's of the brown color. So I will cut the rocks in the M shape, nursery class. Can you see the M shape? I draw the M shape and then I cut it like this. Okay. I will put the glue on the back side of this and then I will fix and come to you. Okay. Quickly. Okay, nursery class. See, my rocks are looking beautiful and now my daytime is also looking colorful. Then what I am going to put? I am going to put a tiny sun in between of the rocks. Okay, nursery class. See my tiny sun, nursery class. I will put here. Okay, nursery. So our daytime cannot be get completed without the sun. So I will put the sun in between the rocks. Okay, let me fix and then come to you. Okay, nursery class, our this step is also get completed with the sun, nursery class. So in the next step, what the teacher is going to put? The teacher is going to put clouds. Okay, nursery class, we see in the book, so SST book, that we can see clouds in the daytime, nursery class. Okay, we put the clouds over here, one cloud over here, and one cloud we will put over here. Okay, nursery class. Fine. We will put two clouds, nursery class, because our picture is small. Okay, nursery class. You can make the picture of your choice. You can make your own daytime, nursery class, that you can, the things you can see in the day. Okay, you are not necessary to make the same things that the teacher is making. Okay, teacher will fix the clouds and then come to you. Okay, nursery class, teacher make 3 clouds over here. And the last thing which the teacher see in the daytime is birds. Birds like this. Okay, nursery class. All around the trees. Up in the tree. Up on the rocks, nursery class. Then near the clouds. Okay, everywhere. Okay. Teacher see lots of birds in the daytime. Okay, nursery class. So what the teacher can see in the daytime, teacher can see grass, tree, birds, clouds, rock, sun, and the birds in the daytime. Okay, you draw your own daytime and do tell me that what you can see in the daytime. Now it's turn of the nighttime, nursery class. I had told you that I have cut the black sheet for the nighttime and I will fix the nighttime sheet over here. Okay, nursery class, can you see? Let me fix and then come to you. So nursery class, night time is very easy. See, I have fixed the black sheet on the page. Okay. Now what you can see at the night time, you can see sun and sorry, not the sun, nursery class. What happened with the teacher? The moon and the star. Sorry. Okay, nursery class. Teacher purchased the stickers of the stars and the moon. Okay, if you have the glitter sheet, you can make your own stars and the moon. Okay, nursery class. Teacher will put the moon over here and then the stars. Okay, nursery, teacher will fix and then come to you. So nursery class, you can see my beautiful stars. Yes, the glittery star and the moon makes our night beautiful, nursery class. And this is our daytime. Okay, nursery class. Now it's not optional, it's compulsory that you have to send me this activity. Okay. Okay, thank you very much, nursery class. Okay, look once again, because I love my night time, and then you can have a look at my daytime. Okay, so take lots of good care, take care of yourself, try to stay in home. Okay, try to avoid fizzy drink, cold drinks, ice cream. Okay, nursery class, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.